Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a double crochet stitch, known as a DC also, and it's twice as long as a single crochet. So we're going to create our slip knot the usual way. Then you're going to tag on the working end, which is this end, the end that is still connected to your yarn. Hook. And then we're going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For our double crochet, we're going to yarn over, under the loop, pull through the loop. So now you should have 3 loop on your hook. You're going to pull through 2. This is what it should be looking like. And then you're going to pull through 1. So yarn over, under your loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, and you pull through 2. Yarn over, under the loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So it's almost as if you're counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So this is what your double crochet stitch would look like. You're quite longer than a single crochet stitch. Let me show you a few more times. This is also a good stitch for blankets, hats, anything that you're doing and you'd like for your stitches to finish faster or your project to be complete in a faster time. This stitch tends to get it done faster. For instance, you're making a hat and you use this stitch, you will get it done a bit quicker rather than when you use a single crochet stitch. And there you go, double crochet complete.